Let's see how the fiber laser does on hard plastic.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
Actually, let's do this on the rough surface. We call our text up, change it to initials, as this microscope belongs to someone's toolbox. Center adjust. Okay. Now, we leave the parameter settings as are. Actually, maybe change the loop to 2 counts. Leave the 500 speed and 20 power. But let's set the hatch at 0.01 millimeter so as to fill the text in nice and dense. Okay, press F1 for a preview. That'll do. Now press F2 and away it goes. Playing around with parameters will help to perfect it, but there is no doubt what the fiber laser can accomplish on hard plastic surfaces.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At AM.CO.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.